In this video, we're going to go over how to write effective page titles that improve your conversion rates, whether it's sales pages on something like Amazon, or for products on your own website, or for maybe the title of your website's homepage.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
These are extremely important because oftentimes it's the very first thing that people see. It's the very beginning of your copywriting. And this video is going to be a theoretical. In the next videos, I'm actually going to be showing you examples for how to do this. So creating your title is very related to how you're going to talk about your product or business, because it's usually consistent and related to how you promote and pitch it on social media, on email, everywhere. You're essentially going to be saying very similar things that are going to echo each other. And if you're able to create a compelling positioning, a compelling way to stand out right from that one sentence headline, it's going to immediately increase your click-through rate on all your promotions and immediately going to get you more traffic without actually doing any additional work. So it really starts as early as even before people visit your site. How you phrase your promotions is already going to reflect what's going to be on your site and what's going to be on the title. So in the title, we have to accomplish a couple of things to make your titles and to make all your positioning good. We got to accomplish a couple of things. One is we have to absolutely grab attention. And second, most of the time it's important to have the title contain keywords for SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. It's how people search. If you're selling, for example, socks, and people are searching for socks, well, if you have the word socks in your headline, obviously you're going to rank for the word socks a lot higher. That is just a very rudimentary example, but I just want to get you thinking about it. So you've got to have those SEO keywords, but it's also but the title also has to grab attention of human readers. It must sound fantastic. You cannot just be writing your title for computers and SEO algorithms. Now, the most important thing to grab that attention, the headline must promise some big benefit. In copywriting, there's a really strong distinction between benefits and features. Features are, let's say, a car. Features are the color, the speed, the durability, the cost. These are things, they're okay, they're boring. Yeah, like they have to be there, but it's not exciting so much to the consumer as much as the benefits, which are, if it's a red color, it's going to make you look awesome, right? It's going to make you look cool. It's going to get you attention. It's going to make you look like you're a more prominent, cooler person. So it's the image that you project, or maybe it's going to help you. If it's a safe car, it will protect you. It will help you protect your family. So the big benefits. Usually benefits are related to social status, making more money, health, wellness, just achieving some final end goal. And features like the speed and the color, those are just things that help you get to the end goal. So make sure you differentiate between that. And we're in the next videos, we're going to go over that. Don't worry, because we're going to go over examples, because this is really important. And most beginners, they make a mistake in this. So I'm going to absolutely make sure that you do not make mistakes in this. And one word of caution, of course, becomes that you don't make false statements. Of course, you're not going to intend to make false statements, but sometimes what we do is we try to make our products or businesses sound so exciting that we kind of overemphasize some things, and it no longer reflects what our products or services actually deliver. And that's the worst case, because if consumers' expectations aren't met by your product, that you're going to have very unhappy customers, which is very bad. They're going to leave bad reviews. They're not going to come back. They're going to ask for refunds, not because your product is bad, but because you caused a misunderstanding with your copywriting. And it's very common because we try really hard to make our product sound fantastic. So some things that make titles stand out, I'm just going to give you a little bit of a glimpse. Numbers and percentages, they break up the monotonous text and they make it easy for our eyes to land somewhere. authoritative references. For example, if there's some studies or if there's some big name person or brand that is involved. Those typically make headlines stand out, and the deadline by which the person will get the benefit. Deadline being like lose weight in 30 days. Well, that 30 days, that actually is interesting. That headline has totally been played out. It's a joke now, right? But the idea of lose weight in 30 days, learn something in 30 days, in 7 days, that actually has made the same boring things like learn to code sounds boring. Learn to code in 30 days sounds way better. So those really work. And in the next video, we're going to go over actual examples for how to fix up and make titles prettier.